Struggling to add a YouTube video to your Gamma presentation? Here's the exact 4-step method to do it in under a minute. So you've built this awesome presentation in Gamma, and you want to drop in a video to really bring a point to life. Maybe it's a product demo, a clip from a conference, or just the perfect explainer. But you click around and nothing. The option just isn't jumping out at you. I've been there. It's frustrating. But I promise it's actually incredibly straightforward once you know where to look. First, we'll open the media panel, then paste your link. Let's walk through each step quickly. All right, let's get to it. Open up your Gamma presentation and find the slide where you want that video to live. Now, look over on the right side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar. This is your main tool panel. What you're looking for is a button that says Video and Media. It's pretty much front and center. Click on that. And here's the really important part about finding it. A lot of people overlook this sidebar because they're focused on the slide itself, but this is where all the magic happens for adding stuff. So, Video and Media. Give it a click. Once you click that, a small menu pops up with a few different options. You'll see choices like Upload, Record, and a few others. What we want is right there. Just click on the one that says YouTube. This is the specific gateway for what you're trying to do. It's not a vague embed a video option. Gamma is smart enough to know that most of us just want a link from YouTube, so they made it its own little button. Click YouTube. Now, this is where the link comes in. Go to your YouTube video in another tab. Copy the full web address from the address bar at the top of your browser, then come back to Gamma. A little text box will have appeared. Just paste your link right in there. And here's a quick tip I've learned from doing this a bunch. Don't just paste the link and hit enter. Gamma needs a second to process it. You'll see it load up a preview of the video. Make sure that preview appears. It's your confirmation that everything worked. So now that you've pasted the link and seen the preview, you'll notice it's not quite placed on your slide yet. You need to make the final connection. Look for a button that says Link, or sometimes it just looks like a blue arrow or an insert button. Click on that. This is the final crucial click. Without it, the link just sits there in the box. But once you click it, the video gets embedded right onto your slide. You'll see it appear as a video player. You can click and drag it to move it around, resize it, whatever you need. And that's it. Seriously. From not being able to find the option to having a fully embedded YouTube video on your slide in well under a minute. You can go ahead and play it right in the presentation. No extra steps. It's a small trick that makes your Gamma presentations feel a whole lot more polished and dynamic. Give it a try on your next deck.